Welcome back to App IQ, and today I'm going to show you how to use grids in Canva. Now, grids help structure your design with neat layouts. So let's get started. First, you need to find a grid. So go to Elements, type in Grids, and from here you can choose a layout. Select See All Grids to view more. So now you can choose from single column to multiple column or multi-column or creative collage layouts. Now there are a variety to choose from, and let's just select this one. From here you can add images or videos. Also, you can combine your grids to add text, icons to make your design a lot more complex. Here in this one I'm gonna add a video. So now this video is added to the page. What I'm simply gonna do is drag and drop, and it will be placed in this first column. I'm gonna select an image to use in this column, and again I'm gonna drag and drop into that column. In this one I'm just gonna use an icon, so I'm gonna look for graphics and choose, and so I'm just gonna select this one and drag and drop it there. Next, you can adjust your cropping. So what you can do is double click inside a grid to reposition the media. So we want some more of the sand and the trees, also including the sea. I'm gonna adjust this one so that it shows some more of the sand and the glass of drinks and the slippers, and that's it. You can also resize the grid. So what you can do is drag the corners to make the grids larger or smaller. This is also adjust the cropping. This will also adjust the cropping. And that is essentially how you would use grids in Canva. Very easy and very simple.